Let's talk about this experiment with the creation of the silicone golden pigment. Quick tutorial: painting silicone mermaid with golden pigments. Hi everyone, I'm testing a golden color for my silicone mermaid. This shade doesn't exist yet, so it's an experiment. I'm using golden powder mixed with Psycho paint parts A and B. I mix it just like normal silicone pigments. The paint dries fast. I also add a little naphtha to help with mixing, but you can use your preferred thinner. If you want a deeper golden effect, apply a second layer after the first one dries. You can also get a richer result if you cast silicone directly with this pigment mix. So far, it's working great. I'll share more results soon. This is just the beginning, and I'm already seeing positive effects. Stay tuned.
Here I'm painting a mermaid I created, casted with EcoFlex silicone and light green pigments. I'll let the video play so you can follow along.
Thank you, and see you soon.